Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So finally the Apex Legends mobile is now available on Android and I've been playing this game for some time now and I really find it interesting. And guys, today in this video, we will show you how to download this game right now on your phone. So first of all guys, the game looks awesome and the graphics looks amazing. And I think this is the PUBG mobile killer in India. And also guys, do let us know if you also think that this will definitely kill the PUBG mobile in India. And if you're also tired of waiting for PUBG mobile, then I'm sure you'll find this game very good. So without any further ado, let's begin the process. So first of all guys, there are few APKs available online which will not work properly. And you will get the Google license verification error. So if you're getting that error, then this video will help you to play this game right away on your phone. And also, if you're already downloaded the OBB data file from anywhere, then don't delete it as it might work with the APK we're going to show you in this video. So first you need to download the APK and the OBB zip file. Now you need to install the APK on your phone. Now once the APK is installed, you need to open the game and wait for this error message. And now just tap OK and provide the permission which you see on the screen. Now you need to use the file manager and go to the place where you have downloaded the OBB zip file. And now remove the .zip extension by renaming the file. And after that, you need to move the OBB data file and go to the Android and then OBB folder on your phone. And here you will find this Apex Legend folder. And now open it and paste the .obb data file here. And that's it, you're now ready to play this game. When you start the game for the first time, it will download an update. So wait till it gets installed. And here it is, we're on the login page. And now you can play as a guest or sign up with the Facebook or your Google ID. So guys, this was a simple tutorial on how to install the Apex Legends mobile on any Android phone. Let us know if you have any questions or queries, or if you're getting any error message, let us know in the comment section below. And also, you can find the step-by-step instructions and the download links on our website, for which I will leave the link in the description below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.